Hey guys, Rudy here with Siser. Quick little video I want to bring you guys working with one of our more important accessories, the Siser Squeegee. Alright, so as many of you guys know, we have cuttable materials that already come with a special transfer or a carrier that allows us to cut and transfer, okay? But we also have printable materials that require a special mask, like this one, the TTD Easy, which helps us transfer these different types of materials onto the garment. Okay, to do that, to make the process easier, we use our squeegee here to apply some pressure to the mask to be able to lift the material up. Okay, so we have here our color print family, we have our high-five print, and more recently our easy patterns that require a little bit less pressure. Now we do have a product, a soft print color, that requires a little bit more pressure when using the squeegee. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to apply to two of these products here so you guys can kind of see an example, and then we're going to go ahead and apply it onto the garment. Okay, alright, so we have our high-five here and we have our soft print. Again, the high-five requires less pressure, the soft print requires a little bit more pressure. Now because we're printing directly onto the material, this is the reason why we must first transfer it. Okay, so I'm going to apply the transfer tape directly on top, and I usually like to flip it and then apply a little bit of pressure. As you guys can see, not too much. Let's now remove the original carrier, and now this material is ready to apply. Okay, let's go over here and we'll do the same thing for the soft print, but again applying a little bit more pressure. All right, so again we have the same mask. We're going to place it directly over our design. I'm going to flip it over and we're going to apply a little bit more pressure. As you guys can see, I'm going from side to side and then down. Okay, again, it's always recommended to remove the original carrier first from the actual mask. Okay, so there we have it, nice and easy. Now these two transfers are ready to apply. So the high-five, we're going to apply directly onto the garment. It's a 5-second press, so we'll do this one real quick here. Excellent. And we can remove that hot. So at this point, it becomes a transfer just like a cuttable material. And then we're going to go ahead and apply our color print mat. And check that out. So what do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? If you guys have any questions regarding the squeegee or any of our other accessories that we offer, let us know. Shoot us an email at info@siser.it. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.